iMapp. Okay, so you go to iMapp, and then you select the specific county. In this case, let's say Broward County. Then we can go and search for the specific subdivision. Now, check this out. Here it says subdivision, okay? Then here it says equal to. The moment that you put equal to, it's whatever you type here, the system is going to look whatever is exactly what it says equal to. So in this case, there's different options that says equal to, not equal, or starts with. Okay, so all right, so how do I know which one is my subdivision? Trust me, guys, if you're searching for a subdivision and you live in a community, let's say that the name of the community is I don't know, Osprey South. When you go to search for that subdivision, as a matter of fact, I'm going to do it. Look, starts with, and then I'm going to search for O. Okay, and I'm going to look for Osprey South. And you see, this is the beauty of when you do things live, that you see it says Osprey Landing, but it doesn't say Osprey South. So then I'm stuck. Why? Because I was looking for Osprey South. So what we have to do is we go to that particular property. In this case, okay, so this particular property, the name of the subdivision is Savannah PUD Plat 4 144. This is whatever name is here, the first couple of words, that is the name of the subdivision. I've seen many times subdivision that change names because of whatever reason, but the legal description remains the same. So a subdivision is classified based on the legal description. So here it says Savannah PUD Plat 144. So I go back here and I go to S. Then this is the upload. Okay, now I can go to S, Savannah. Was it Plat 1? Let's see. Plat 4. Okay, so this is the subdivision. And then if I go down here and then search, boom, voila, there's 159 properties in that subdivision. That's the name of all the residents in that subdivision, the property addresses and their names. Sometimes if you open it, it also gives you the phone number, but in order for you to get the phone number, you're gonna have to open it. When I say open it, you have to click on the folio number, which is this one. Like for this property, that folio number opens up this information, and unfortunately there is no phone number for this property. But sometimes if there is a phone number, it's gonna say it down here. Okay, all right guys, I'm done. You have any questions?
That's very helpful.
What was that?
I said great information.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, appreciate it.
Yes, because I sent out mail in my neighborhood, and because I do the every door direct mail, and you have to go by different routes.
Routes, yes.
So I tend to miss some of the people in my neighborhood. So that was very helpful. I put in the estates, the Pasadena, Pembroke, and I would get everything here. So I could mail directly to the neighborhood.
Right, and something else that this thing will allow you, it will create mail letters. So if you see here on the right, it says create mail labels. You
Mhm.
click there, and it's going to, there you can define which, just to let you know, the templates is when you buy the papers to print the labels,
Mhm.
those have different codes. So this one says every 5097, every 5160, and depending on the code, then it prints the labels in different spaces. So
Mhm.
this is something that it will save you a lot of time. You don't have to go back and forth to exporting the information to a spreadsheet, then uploading to Excel or Word, so then you can print. No, you can print directly from here, and you're going to save tons of time.
But these would have to go into envelopes, right?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but here you can print this on those sheets that are stickers.
Right, right, right. Yes, I
Yeah.
know what
So you
that
just
is.
peel off
Okay.
the sticker. Yeah. Okay. So that's it for me.